Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys a new method to get unlimited stars on Among Us. So this works in 2026. It's a separate modded version of the game. So let me just open it up and I just want to show you guys, like, as you can see, we are pretty broke right now, but when I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited stars. All right, so the stars are now going to start increasing, and then I'm going to show you how to download this Among Us hack so you can get unlimited stars as well. So let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, guys, really bad right now, 40 stars. That is so bad, but hopefully it works. And as you can see, guys, it's going up. So I'm going to show you how to download this for your device so you can get unlimited stars. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you how to get it. So the first thing we're going to do is come onto this website. So I just want you guys to type in Among Us and then just go ahead and press download. So basically what this will do is download the Among Us mod. So before this downloads, there's going to be like a verification thing. So this is pretty easy. You just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you how to do it. But as you can see, it says right here, complete 2 offers. So you just have to download like 2 of these apps. So we got like Travel Town. This one says reach level 9. So I just press continue, go to the app store. I just got to play this till I'm level 9. So it's like a game. So that's pretty simple, you know. So then we'll go back to the list and do some more. So I just run this right here, as you can see. All right, let me go back, see what we got in here. We got Mo Casino, Rates, there's all these different apps. So just do a couple of them and then you'll get the Among Us hack for your device. And you can get unlimited stars, so it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to try it out. I've been like testing stuff and I found this is the only hack that works.